creative wood shop project. So we started off by looking at Pinterest to find a couple of wood, and we found this amazing chalkboard. So we were like, okay, let's recreate it. So then we realized that we wanted to put a couple of accessories. So we took this table, navy blue, and we painted it black to match the stain. Then we came over here and used this saw to cut the length of the board. Then we used this table saw to cut the width of the boards. Then we used the circular saw to cut the chalkboard part. Then, this is one of our boards. Then we cut this.
That's a mistake board.
Yeah, this is a mistake board. And so we did this, and we cut it, stained it, and everything. And so then we cut it specially for our special accessory, but you'll see that later. Also put on some clips to just make it kind of jazzy. Then we kind of like just assembled it together, put like 3 layers of chalkboard paint on the board, and this is my finished project of Leia's 6th grade wood shop project.